Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. National People's Party says Armed Forces Special Powers Act should be repealed. Meghalaya is prepared to tackle entry of Omicron virus into the state, says Meghalaya Health Minister James P.K. Sangma. Meeting between Giant Hills Truck Owners Association and all Giant Hills Cement Manufacturers Association fails to yield results. And Meghalaya EMRI Workers Union threatens to strengthen the agitation if the state government fails to enhance their salaries. And now the news in detail. The National People's Party along with National People's Youth Front today served the candlelight vigil at its party office in Shillong to protest the killing of civilians at Oting village in Nagaland by paramilitary force. Speaking to the media, Meghalaya Health Minister James K. Sangma said the people have suffered over the years due to the Armed Forces Special Powers Act, which gives an unbridled power to the force. He also said that this law should be repealed.
Solidarity with our brothers and our sisters in Nagaland. We would like to send out our condolences to the bereaved families, some of whom have lost their major bread earner. And this is really something that has brought into focus the whole discussion about the Armed Forces Special Powers Act, the draconian nature of the AFSPA, the way that despite many justifications for its imposition in the Northeast, it has, on the contrary, worked against bringing about peace. Despite the many times that people of the Northeast have voiced their objection to AFSPA in the Northeast, and also our party, the NPP, which has always been very vocal against AFSPA, nothing has happened. But today, I believe that 14 of our brothers who have lost their lives, this should not go in vain. We must all stand united, not just people of Meghalaya, but all the people of Northeast, all our brothers and sisters there, not just the people of Nagaland, to come together, to stand united, and to say with one voice that we do not want the AFSPA, we want it repealed. And this is also a moment for us to appeal to the government of India that AFSPA should be repealed. And we maintain this stand that we have, that we are against AFSPA. And
Meghalaya Health and Family Welfare Minister James P.K. Sangma today said that Meghalaya is fully prepared to tackle the spread of Omicron virus to the state. Speaking to the media at his party office in Shillong, Sangma said the health authorities have strengthened entry points to the state to check the spread of the virus.
We are being very vigilant about Omicron and the possibility of it coming to the state of Meghalaya, and we are taking precautions. All the protocols which have been in place, they are being enforced, and we are also monitoring the entry points for those people who are coming into the state, so that any kind of spread from visitors can be avoided. And at the same time, we are also going on a vaccination drive in a renewed with a renewed vigor to ensure that we increase our vaccine cover, not just for single doses but for both the doses. And we hope that Omicron will not have that kind of an impact in Meghalaya, but yet we are preparing for any kind of scenario that may emerge.
The Giant Hills Truck Owners Association today decided to continue with its indefinite strike as the talk with the All Giant Hills Cement Manufacturers Association held at the office of the Deputy Commissioner of East Giant Hills did not yield any result. Speaking to the media, the president of Giant Hills Truck Owners Association, Nidamon Chillet, said his organization will continue with the strike till their demands, including transport charge, be paid as per the government's notification, are met.
Which we have agreed about 1100 metric ton per day. And on the basis of that, the plant has been discussion has been made. Now, today's discussion, we have also agreed today that if they are not agree, we will discuss among our members to increase further more quantity to dispatch in Parniyat. But sir, this is purely depends on the requirement of the market. This is not necessary, just we are to dispatch whatever the quantity is needed as per the association. This is as per the requirement of the market. We can dispatch whatever they like if the consumption is more. In Meghalaya, only 8 to 10% cement consumption. And our lot of the cement is going for outside. Anyway, that the present DC has agreed about the 6 persons from the association side, and from our side we will discuss among them. Tomorrow again we will sit down with the DC and we will try to come on the conclusion.
Ta dewu buram yo disi da chimkia ukut igni meeting yang on ne hai ni hat kamra yang kihi wada himkiau ukut ugi semen factory wa igi JSOE ta nagadau wa pembat kini ga kita kador wa sarkari I karu kam tegam idangu continue being strike na lekku perpari pajba le yu yai cha gi gijing itu ugani pembat da kular gi mestep wi pembat ugani gi semen factory wi chong mestep oki hadin yang mestep yo pat ki gua pembat yang ki talada baki andre ye ka wang strike lanam baki te continue being strike.
Dear viewers, let us now take a short break. Welcome back. We'll continue with the remaining news. The health workers belonging to Meghalaya EMRI Workers Union today threatened to strengthen their agitation if the state government fails to enhance their salaries to commensurate with the present cost of living. These workers, who are engaged in the 108 emergency service, said that they are rendering 24 hours health service to the people of the state, and the state government is not paying heed to address their genuine demands. Speaking to the media at Shillong Press Club, the president of Meghalaya EMRI Workers Union, Linas Imble, informed that the salary of 8,000 per month is not sufficient as the cost of essential commodities have increased by many folds.
Lakat ni senam yaka health department tinggi ladap ai how kenika nyau tarik arkhau tarik jong u benai Julai ngilawat ai ka shithi halor jong kan ka subject jungi nama haki por menchuang ibu lai pundru teliki demand jungi tang baya ka pamentapat ngi fokus be tang art teliki jungi ni fokus be tang art teliki demand jungi kata ka dei ba ya ka salary jungi namar ba ka ret palat kat ni ka kum ka market price nta ba kala kiu ding ui ba ka ni ka kanika tulap jungi bat i jingkiu jong kanika market price kam ya hap shu hai ru ti ni ko ban ong bang ni first subject hi ka bangi wa ban kran ni ka por ni bat be ya atli ki demand jungi kata ka de ka ban pen kiwi ka salary jungi na mar kala ret palat kam ya hap shu ti bat ka ba ar pat de ka de ba kin nam ta ka job security jungi namar ba ni kwa ba ka sarkar kan shimti hi da di kanika ya kanika service kinum ai kinum privatize yu kata ba ni ban man kapor ni kwa ba ka sarkar kan penyat ya kani ti kalong ba ngiu i ba ka ni la le ni la ya len ti na do mention snam ni la ong ba pet ni la pentip sya ki pat ba ni la pentip sya ka sarkar ni la ai kini ikot haka ndreu tarik jong kat arkinyo tarik jong arpo tarik jong benai bahnyo ila ai is al hack ti ka jaba haka arkinyo tarik ihya shuki no mai ti ham tu ka pentlumar ngi namar ba all these years yong ba ni we are not sitting idle we are doing ka sarkar kam shong klik ti ra kadang trai kan ba iklam le ai ra te ka wan le ba ka mas ndap ai kan ni kalata ba kin le something moi kan ni demand jungi to nakalai kun rutulingi klam pechoy kita ki barem jungi ni pe be kan stick be ka mantahi ban pen kiyo ka salary jungi kat kung ka working hours jungi bengi tray but made but sni mo 24/7 baro ki ba kita kan service kaya tingi kwa salary jungi kan kiyo ti nalor kata ihya shuki no aka arkunyo tare kumbabaro ki ba kita ihya shuki te hadir pada ki ai no ya is chambo shulai ti mai irutang kum tu art life ti ka change no ka portfolio dan ka change sai is preston pensong ka change sai i ti ya irang ila kan nakaliang jungi ngila ay kan ni shiti haka art pulai tare ubnai ba kan la kan poi kan ni shiti iru tang ba klemdan ba khat yangi klemdan ba sunyo ya ka bangi ai mangi ti hadian pade ka jab yang ka change yang ka portfolio ba ya ka health department labat de Sir James ka taru tong lele tang yok ka ba ka sarkar ka ban change ni li ai yang say ya Sir James ru ya ka ni ka shithi ha ka south rek ubnai ba shipau tingi expect te katnis ni kat ni benai ngilai syak mo ngilai syak kat ni tangba ndan basngap yangi ti ngilawat ya ki appointment ru ki appointment bangin ya kendu Sir James bangin ya kran halo kini ki issue jongi tangba haduk menta lengba ki seng bahalang kat tu kat ni seng bahalang la ong banyi kendu i ong ba ngadon syadi ngadon syatai long ampat light up ngandawan nang ni ngang se kendu tangba haduk menta long nipat ya kendu ya i tingi kwa ban ong ba kani ka syam long ni kum ki nong trai mo ni i ba ka sarkar ka klem sutnyo yangi kam sutnyo.
All Jaintia Master Roll Workers and Labour Union yesterday facilitated its leaders who have worked tirelessly during the last 3 years to take the organisation forward. The facilitation program was held at the 6th annual general meeting of the organisation held at Madan Drisa Lane in Jawai West Janta Hills district. The meeting was participated by Master Roll from the different branches of East and West Janta Hills district, including midday meal cook, carpenters and others. The organisation thanked all the members for their unstinted support in which the organisation could achieve some of their demands.
Pijuk le skor piko. Laudan. Lai baisa. Tahu lai skor pi ape ba dok kelas ipo pi. Oh, ke kelas lai tengah dah lai lo. Oh. Kalau kamu tiada dah lai lo dah dok yap dok im korek kini kam no yo try ki kon yo play skor yo ui gisa yo suk kemenret kemen kowi ke yang ki te ong pi mestaru hak krek pi kamun ye pi play skor kini ki kon mai tadi bang khat nak no tapi bang mat gaji cit chat ma ha bun bat pi du sala du sala du in no tak hikong tu ki kon lek ki ngat bet ki sekan te kat do pelai ke be kat te nete mem do wang pi tu kelit ite kenaan ong pi myok kena pi tam din do yok kena kong mà tụi mẹ khăn nạ đồ đầy vậy
Cái nạ vào trong em mà hình chứ nó
em kêu vào trong kêu yên chút đã sự kiện khi cầm ni văn với trên ni nên thuộc khăn nạ với ta ni con ni nông biết
ít nó yang in ai ta còn đỡ lại cạnh
bây giờ rồi tôi ấy được con đi thì tôi quay đi chưa ta tu suka cha nó đi cha vì nó
là để y thì ta đi vậy nó con
rồi đâu đi
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.